Hello children, how are you all? Okay, so today we are back to our studies and today we are going to do a poem from Unit 10, Flying Man. Now what is a flying man? Flying man is a man who flies very high with the help of its wings. Children, you all have watched in the cartoons, there are some superheroes like Superman, Shaktiman, Doraemon, Chris, Spider-Man. They fly very high up above the buildings also, and from up they also jump down on the ground. So that you all have seen in the cartoons. Now when you all see all these things in the cartoons, what happens? You all also start imagining. You also become so happy, you also feel that I also should fly, I also should go high up on the top of the building, and then also again I have to come down, again I have to jump down. But children, this is not fair. This is only to entertain your mind, to give you some amusement. ये सिर्फ एक तुम्हें मनोरंजन के लिए तुम्हें लेना है. तुम सिर्फ कार्टून देख सकते हो और इंजॉय कर सकते हो, बट यू कैन नॉट प्रैक्टिस दिस इन योर लाइफ. यू कैन नॉट practice all this kind of dangerous stunts in your life, because अगर तुम ऐसे करने गए और अगर तुम गिर गए तो it will be a big problem. It is very dangerous children. So please don't try all this kind of stunts. This poem is also about a little child who imagines about a flying man, how he flies very high up in the sky. Up in the sky मतलब आकाश के ऊंचाई पे वो उड़ता जाता है. Apart from that, he also flies over the mountains, over the seas. Mountains मतलब पहाड़. पहाड़ भी तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा जब तुम लोग ट्रैवल करते हो. Either you all are traveling by road, by car, so that time also you all have witnessed rivers, you all have witnessed water mountains. So similarly here also this flying man is flying over the mountains. Mountains are already very high and over the mountain मतलब उसके ऊपर से ऊंचाई तक वो उड़ के जाता है. Then over the seas, seas यानी कि समुद्र जहाँ बहुत सारा पानी होता है. और he also imagines that the flying man is flying over the seas. Then suddenly he also imagines that after flying he comes down and he stands in front of the child, and at that time he expresses his desire. और ये सभी के साथ होता है. हम जब भी कुछ अच्छी चीज़ देखते हैं ना तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि आई विश आई वुड एट दैट प्लेस. मैं भी अगर उसके जगह पे होता और ये काम करता तो कितना अच्छा होता. दिस हैपन्स विद एवरीबडी, विद स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो एज वेल एज विद द एडल्ट्स ऑल्सो. दिस हैपन्स. So this child that time he expresses his desire. वो अपनी इच्छा प्रकट करता है और सवालें पूछता है. He starts questioning to the flying man. Flying man, if you also can take me along with you and fly over the mountains, over the seas, why can't you take me and fly with me? So like this poem is about a little child who imagines about to be a flying man. Come on children, now we will recite the poem. Flying man, up in the sky, where are you going, flying so high? Over the mountains and over the seas. Flying man, can't you take me? वो ऐसा करके बोलता है कि फ्लाइंग मैन तुम हर जगह पे ऊंची जगह पे तुम उड़ते रहते हो. यू आर फ्लाइंग ओवर द माउंटेन्स, ओवर द सीज, व्हाई कांट यू टेक मी? ही इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन टू द फ्लाइंग मैन. सो चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स द एंड ऑफ द लेसन. नाउ I am explaining you the new words. Flying means any bird or insect that moves through air with the help of its wings. Here I have shown you birds as well as insects. This is a butterfly. This can move through the air with the help of its wings. high मतलब ऊंचाई. Now this is a small example that I have drawn and I have shown you. This is a big cupboard, and on the cupboard on the top, here it is a Mickey Mouse and here it is a ball, and now this little girl, she is stretching her hand but she cannot get this toys. Even if she stands on the table and if she tries to take the ball or the toy, but she cannot reach. So that means this they are kept on the high. It is kept very high on the cupboard. So that is the meaning of high. High matlab ऊंचाई, which you cannot touch. High up in the birds fly high up in the sky. So can you touch the sky? The sky is very high. जो कोई भी sky को touch नहीं कर सकता है. Man. Man means male person who becomes adult. जब लड़के बहुत छोटे होते हैं लड़के, boys, when they are very small, they are boys, they are little child. Slowly when they grow up, when the boy grows up, that time he becomes adult, and that is called a man. Sea, a huge water body जहाँ बहुत सारा पानी होता है, and here you can see ships sail on the sea. And this is mountains, 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 mountains यानी के पहाड़. Now mountains means the raised parts from the surface of the earth. जमीन के ऊपर से थोड़ी ऊंचाई होती है ऊपर, तो उसे कहते हैं पहाड़. मतलब थोड़ी ऊंचाई जब होती है, और कुछ माउंटेन्स छोटे भी होते हैं और कुछ माउंटेन्स बहुत बड़े होते हैं. Some mountains are very high and some mountains are little small. You all have seen water falling from the mountains. Waterfalls तुमने देखा है. As well as children, if you have gone to Mount Abu, there is a sunset point. There also you can see the sun setting behind the mountains. Mountain के पीछे बाजू से वो sun setting होगा. That is why that place in Mount Abu, that place is called sunset point. मतलब माउंटेन के पीछे तुम देख सकते हो कि सन कैसा करके सेटिंग होता है. So that's the end of our poem. We can also recite this poem in the form of singing. You can also see my action and try to sing in such a manner. Flying man up in the sky, where are you going flying so high? Over the mountains, over the sea. Flying man, why can't you take me? Once again. Flying man up in the sky, where are you going flying so high? Over the mountains, over the sea. Flying man, can't you take me? So that's the end of the poem, children. Thank you.